All right, so now we're going to try something interesting. I brought my Pocket 4 with me today, together with the DJI Mic 3, and that will take care of the main video that I'm using to make this video. But then I also brought this one, and we're going to do some interesting experiment today. We're going to make audio on the drone footage of the Neo 2, which makes it a lot easier for me afterwards to make a synchronization. And the way that I do that is that I simply connect the phone. I use the phone app, and there's a little, maybe I can even record the audio here so you can see what's going on. So, yeah, so see, there's this little, I just put the camera here, that's easier. So there's the camera here, so that this microphone icon, and if I enable that, you would get audio into the recordings of the drone once it takes off. And because I don't want to walk around like this and talk into the phone, I will simply just fold it together, put it in my pocket, and then I will use the AirPods here to make the audio go into the phone and then onto the drone. So this is sort of the trick. So I'll just put the drone like this, so, and let it follow me. I only have limited battery as usual. So now that it's up, flying, and the cool part is that I can just reposition it. So if I want the drone here, maybe I want it in front of me, so, like this. So now it films me from the side here. And hopefully I will have audio in here. I have a limited amount of battery, because we have been out here with the club, the drone club. There's still a few ones left here. See, still a few ones left over there that is messing around with. Whoa. So there's a few ones that are messing around here with the FPV drones and stuff. Let's move it. So, see? See, they're messing around with it. Er det en 5-inch drone? Yeah, 5-inch FPV drone. Jacob has been doing some demonstrations here for the club. So this is definitely something that I'm not going to be able to do. Again, I can control the drone. Yeah. So this is a pretty cool setup I need to explore. This will add an extra dimension to when I'm out and about doing different recordings, that I only need to bring the Pocket 4 as well as the Neo 2. And because I can control it like this, so if I don't like the angle, I can just move it. So, like this. Maybe I want it in the front. Let's say that I want it in the front, like this. And then maybe I want to use the Pocket to film what it is that I'm seeing. So now, the Neo is my camera guy. Hey, come on. So now the Neo is my camera guy. So I can go and talk to the camera while I'm walking here, and then I can show you whatever is good. I can take the drone, maybe put it here on the side, like this. So it will follow me from the side. So I can turn the camera again and talk. And I'm pretty sure that that's enough. So now we ran out of battery. You see, now it's coming back. But this is a nice setup. I can use for different purposes when I'm out and about. It's really, really nice that you only need to bring the drone. So I need to bring the drone and the Pocket 4 with me when I'm out. So the good audio, you shouldn't expect the audio to be fantastic on the recordings from the drone. We can just do a test just to show you. Just do manual control here. So now I'm recording through the AirPod onto the phone, onto the drone's recording. And as you can hear, the audio is not really good. But that's taken care of by the Mic 3. Because I just used the original audio track that is recorded on the Pocket. Have this set up with the Pocket 4. Probably all hyped about the Pocket Pro right now, but I tell you, this is pretty sufficient to the needs that I have when I'm going out. And this one is equipped with the extra battery handle that will, sort of make sure that we have extra recording time. And also, see, because I have 2 cameras, I have a lot of flexibility. So what I can do now is I can film the Pocket here. Then I can go in here and I can start the subject recognition. So now it's detecting me. And look at this. So it's following me. That's cool. There is a lot of possibilities in this setup. There's no doubt about that. Okay, so you have the tripod here. This small tripod that will allow you to just put it here on this trash can lid. And then you can do the dancing. No, 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 no. So a lot of flexibility using the Neo 2 together with the smartphone and this AirPod. And let's see what I can make out of this footage that I just recorded here. And it has been a good day here. This, as I said, we are here with the drone club. We've been a lot of people today, so we came here originally with the intent of flying, and then we ran into some concerns that we would have problems with all the guys that are fishing here in the pond, that they would react to us flying our drones. But we got permission, so we ended up staying here and had some lovely hours here to explore some equipment. And what better way to finish a great day like this to just test out some equipment. Just to explain what it is that I did before I got the critical low battery warning, is that I'm using the DJI Fly app. I'm using that one, and I'm using that to control the drone. And in this way, instead of the normal DJI RC2 controller, you can add audio to the recordings that is on the internal memory of the drone. And you can see that there's this little microphone icon here that bumps up and down when I speak. So you can see that it's actually taking in audio. So that's cool. Very, 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 very nice. So let me know what you think about this setup. Is this something that you can see yourself putting to use when you're out and about and recording stuff, or is it just me? So I hope you liked this video. If you did, then feel free to give a like. If you didn't like it, feel free to press the dislike button twice. Thank you for watching, and I'll be seeing you on the next one.